Okay, well, hello everybody. I am doing adult coloring the fall leaves. Fall leaves. So, subscribe and like and ring my bell. As I'm stating in my lines, sometimes it's easy to get out of your lines. If you want to stay in your lines, just these black things that you see right here, these are your lines, and it's very, very easy to get out of your lines. If you want to stay in your lines, you can stay in them. I love fall of the year. It's so pretty. Very, very pretty. I love the colors of the leaves. The color of the leaves is what is so pretty. Or you call it the changing the leaves, you know. Leaves that change are beautiful. Like all your golds and yellows and orange type leaves. That's what this is. That's the color of orange right there. And then you have some leaves that are red. There's all red colors. But then too you have some that are still green, but most of the times if it's fall of the year, they're gonna be orange. They're gonna be, you know, all different, all different colors. Like some are gold. This is gonna be orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and color this in orange. There we go. Yes, subscribe and like and ring my bell. So you know what this is? That's an acorn. Yeah. If you like adult coloring, let me know in the comments and I'll do more adult coloring for you guys. But let me know in the comments if you guys prefer me to do more adult coloring, and I will do it for you. I forgot acorns is around fall of the year too, I think. We're just gonna do it like this. These lines right here that I'm coloring right now is very hard to stay in. Very, very hard to stay in. show y'all. Let me show you a picture that I had colored a while back. A bird. Look at this. Wow, isn't it beautiful? That's beautiful, isn't it? Look at all the pretty colors into it. And you see that, y'all see that painting right there? I won third place at a fair and won first place at a fair on that one. And then next year, I don't know, but next year I might enter this one or that one at the fair. You know, see the one with the red hibiscus flowers? I won first place at a state fair on those. But that one right there had to stay at the fair for about a week. And then that one had to stay at the fair about a week. And then that one had to stay at the state fair for about 2 weeks. Aren't they pretty? So I might show those to y'all. It's pretty, aren't they? Took me a long time to do those too. A long time. I did not learn how to paint overnight. It takes a while. I've been painting like that for over 30 plus years. So I have years and years and years and years of experience in painting. Years of it. Okay. We've been through with this. Thanks for watching.